Peas are looking good, but they're right at that point where they're going to flop down on the ground if we don't do something about it. And there's really no point in growing peas if you can't keep them up off the ground. They just get tangled up in each other, and it makes it really hard to pick. So what we do is we just take some tomato twine and we drive in some 6-foot stakes, and we drive them in about a foot, so they're 60 inches on top of the ground. And we'll just go down one side of the string first, or the stake first, and then come back the other side. And we'll do that each week, probably a couple times, because they can grow pretty quick. And we'll have a nice crop of peas that are up off the ground. Makes them easier to cultivate, keep weeded, makes them a lot easier to pick. So we'll see if we can get that done right now. So the snap peas are all staked, and the first 2 strings are on. They'll grow quickly, so we'll have to add strings several times a week. And shell peas are also strung. They have 2 strings on. They'll grow pretty quick as well. They won't get as tall. So I'll do a quick layout for you. The snap peas, stakes are about 8 feet apart, 6 to 8 feet, and they're 72-inch stakes. So there's about 60 inches above the soil line. The shell peas, they won't get as high. The stakes are 48 inches, and they're about 12 inches into the ground as well. So they top out about 30 inches. That'll be plenty of stake. Snap peas, they get about 5 feet, so they'll be right up at the top of the stakes. Just to give you a little bit an idea of scale, the shell peas are about 60 feet the row, and the snap peas are 155 feet. For us, the snap peas are more popular at farmers market. They're nicer sell, quicker sell, easier sell, and the shell peas, not as much of a demand, although we like eating them pretty well ourselves, so we always put some in. Our rows are 36 inches apart, and that way we can get our tiller and our cultivator down through without any issues. Quick look at the beans and peas, the next plantings. The weeds are germinating pretty well, so we're going to take care of that. And we've got rain forecasted tomorrow, so I'm glad we got the peas all staked, because once they flop down on the ground on you, it's over. It's hard to pick, hard to cultivate, and you really just have a mess. These shell peas are supposed to be self-supporting, no staking required. We always stake them anyways. They really don't stand all that well on their own, especially once they start producing. All right, as always, thanks for watching.